Howdy fellas, and welcome back to Coyote's Wrench, and today we're doing a gardening video. Today we're out here on our garden here. As you can see, Gizmo's over here standing in it. We're going to take our Kubota tractor. We're going to plow up the field here. We got this little plot over here as well that we rototilled last night. But our Kubota needs an oil change, so we're going to record the oil change first. And we're going to get the plow hooked on and get it tilled up. So, hey fellas, while in this video, I wanted to put a note in here that I forgot to talk about. We're also digging out a spot for the greenhouse, and that's all we ended up doing today. So you're just going to see us rototilling and a lot of buckets going in and out of there, and getting the hole dug out. Sadly, no plowing, so that'll be in a later video though. So fellas, for our Kubota oil change today, we got our Shell Rotella T6. It's going to take about 3 quarts. And we also got our Navigold 1350-65. There's no drip pan down there.
You doing that right?
I hope so.
You know how to do that?
Yes. D6 going in. If I can hopefully hit the funnel.
Are you sure you know how to do that?
I am pretty most certainly possible. Gonna make me miss the darn funnel. Oh, this shit pours so fucking slow. Almost there. We're halfway there. What's the reading on there?
Not on the stick yet.
Okay.
Oh, it's not gonna be on the stick. We didn't put the drain plug in.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Motherfucker. My shoe smells like Rotella.
I bet it does.
Alright, now after 2 dumb dogs, fucking forget to put a drain plug in, we're actually going to fill it up with oil this time. I hope to God that's enough.
I doubt it.
Alright, we got our oil change done here on the Kubota. Only lost $15 of oil. And we're going to go ahead, we're going to take the rototiller first. And we're going to head out to the garden. We're going to make our little greenhouse divot in there first. See you guys out there at the field. Well, fellas, this is the end of day one. We ran out of time for any plowing today, but we got this big old fucking hole dug up, it's about 2.5 feet deep, and over here we have our over 200 cubic yards of soil over here that we took out of here. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna call it a day, and hopefully next week we can get to plowing the garden. Hope to see you guys in